What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see.
Hey, I'm doing a video. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Misa. If you're new to my channel, hi. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me at 2 a.m. in the morning. What time is it? Hey Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 2:40 a.m.
Yeah, it's 2 in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I was like, hey, let's do a little. That makes no sense. It's freaking 2 in the morning, girl. You should be sleeping. But today's video, I'm just gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine. Should probably go all out, but whatever. I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup. Just gonna be curling my hair and doing a little side part. I've had it in the middle part for like the whole week, so I wanna switch it up, do a little side part action. I also wanna take pictures. So my everyday makeup routine is really not much. I don't care for eyebrow anymore. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. What else are we gonna do? That's about it. I haven't done my makeup in a really long time. I've been doing like my skincare. If you guys can see, my skin is glowing. But yeah, I've been working on my skincare routine because I've literally stopped for a minute or so, and I just need to get back into it. This intro is turning out to be really long. It's been like 2 or 3 minutes. Wrap it up, Misa. So yeah, let's go. I don't know, in the world and stuff like that. So I don't know, I want to talk about what the hell. Yeah, if this past year has taught me anything, is that time is precious. Like, do not be out here wasting your time. Anyways, so I'm moisturizing my face. Moisturizing my face with the Pond's lotion. I like to use Pond's. I don't know, like this is my favorite lotion to use. This is my moisturizer. This is what I use for my face. After I moisturize my face, so this is how it's like a mattifying primer. It's a primer. I just like to use it. I've been using it for like a really long time though, so I don't know. I should probably experiment more with primer. I think primer is something that a lot of people neglect, and it really shouldn't be. If you want clear skin, and a lot of people wonder why like they do their makeup without primer, and that's just ugh. I don't know. Doing your makeup with primer is essential. Put your primers on. I forgot everything in my eyebrow brush and my makeup mirror. Like, I'm literally looking at my phone to do my makeup. It don't make sense. Okay, I got my makeup mirror. I feel really good. It looks clean. There's smudges, but hey, I shave it, do anything to it, it grows back. So I'm absolutely obsessed with my eyebrows. I just never know how to deal with them. I don't know. I will be back when I'm done. Okay, I had to come on here looking crazy. Let's just ignore my eyebrows. So how I conceal my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte. This is so good. I love e.l.f. Like, but yeah, this is my favorite concealer. I'm almost out of it. I need to order more, but literally my go-to. So I'm gonna use this to conceal my eyebrows. And yeah, so I will see you guys when I'm officially done. I just wanted to tell you guys about it because it's my favorite product. Okay, so I'm sorry it looks white, but I'm done with my eyebrows. But this is how it looks. I'm glad that's over with. Try to do my eyebrows. It's dreadful. Sometimes I don't even do my eyebrows when I do full face makeup. It is what it is. Oh, this is in Chem Font. So I'm gonna use Chem Font, and I'm gonna kind of cover up a little bit of darkness in my skin. But yeah, I just put like a random amount on my face. I don't know, it's just something I like to do, like, and it blends out really nicely too. So I'm not good at this makeup thing. Can you tell I'm not good at this makeup thing? We got a little bit of coverage going on. So now I'm gonna go in with the inflatable setting loose powder. I tapped some. That is a lot. Like around the areas that I just concealed, I'm gonna put this on top of it. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I do. Now, ready to get started. Little drops. Blend it into my skin, and this does like a different effect. You guys will see it. I don't put too much makeup on. This is my everyday makeup routine. It's supposed to be simple, nice and simple. Yeah. And you guys will see like a lot of the things I do is it's not supposed to be really dramatic. You feel me? Yeah. I put it like around my face, like around my skin. hairlines. And then also I don't put it on my forehead yet. I don't know. It's just something I do. I just put it around my face for right now. Yeah. Blend it out really nicely. Put it everywhere, please. So, now that that's done, I'm gonna take my favorite concealer and I'm gonna go in with it like where my foundation didn't go. So my under eye, this is under my eye. I'm gonna put it around here. Put it around. It's in a circular motion. And this is something I just recently started doing, so, but it's made like a huge difference and I love it. So I like to use it and spray it again. And then after I spray it, I just blend. Okay, so now we got a flawless little glow, whatever going on. And this is for like highlight, y'all. Everyday makeup routine. I don't do too much when it comes to makeup. The exact same product. And I'm gonna pat it under my face like so. Effect it gives your skin, like it gives like a smoothing filter. With my skin, like the key to a nice looking makeup is your skincare, period. But I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight under my eyes. I'll this out really quickly so I don't look stupid, because what the heck? I just did backwards. I messed up my routine. But this is cute though. I like it. Gives me a nice little glow, nice little cute glow. Okay, see? Lightens. What I do for my skin makeup, I don't know. It's like a thing that you use for like enhancing your features. Okay, but I'm baking right now. I'm just gonna. That's about it. I'm just gonna let this sit out for a little bit. I'm gonna watch some YouTube and I'll see you guys. I'm gonna watch some YouTube and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I think I have gotten a nice little cute. Okay, now I'm gonna brush this off because I can't wait any longer. Base makeup. That's about all I do for my base. Hence why it's like simple. So now I'm gonna do my lips. But I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink for my lips. So I love this color. It's amazing. Look at it. I don't know. I'm just gonna show you guys like the color of it. And that's about it. Like I've been looking for a really nice lip liner or a lip color that matches with me, and I love it. So this is my color. I love it. Okay, so after you've done that, don't let it dry too much. Like some days when I'm feeling it, I'll put lashes on. Other days, not so much. A lot of the days, not so much. I'll talk about it later. Get my lashes off camera and then we'll come back and do the hair portion of this video. Okay, so actually I changed my mind. I'm gonna show you guys the lashes I wear. So these are the lashes I wear. It is the 60 false lashes. These are off Amazon. I will link them down below. I said this before in like a video that I wear. I mean what lashes I wear. And these are them. Like I love these lashes. They look effortless. Obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. This is the eyelash glue I'm using nowadays. Like this is dark. I'm gonna go back to the clear lash glue. Oh god. Okay, we're gonna let this one dry. Do y'all see the natural look to it part? Very few steps that I do is to blush. Like, who forgets about blush? I actually never used to use blush, but now I do, and I'm obsessed with it. So, on my makeup, because I don't know why I forgot about it, but I did. Sometimes I do go overboard with the blush, so yeah, we're gonna go in the bathroom and I'm gonna straighten it, and I don't know, get another parting in there. I don't know, we're gonna see. But yeah, for the most part, that's about it. That's all I do for my makeup. If I were to do makeup when I'm feeling like it. Now we're going to go in the bathroom and my flat iron. Now we're gonna go. I just think this hair would look very bland if I didn't curl it, so I'm gonna curl it.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, yeah. They wanna be, and all they do just tryna score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile? You'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
I thought I was dropping the comb or something. I guess it's the people that does it all, but damn. Part of me that is curled, so don't see it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. You feeling it? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. Alright, so I don't know. I feel like that's like the end of this video, because can y'all tell I love myself? Like, I'm so. That's the end of this video.
You see her
I hope you guys
walking
enjoyed it
down
as
the
much as I love making it. I don't know why my hair is not cooperating in the front, but I really like making this video. I enjoy doing my makeup. I just never be finding time for it. I don't know why, but it's just something I never do. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.
You
I will
see
see
her
you guys in my
walking
next
down
video.
the boulevard. She got the posture